So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So I guess today we're gonna create like sharp objects. Well, like if the player colors you with them, collide with them, we're gonna take some life off, and we're also making like a health kit. When the player collide with that, it adds health back. So let's first create the enemy. So let's create like a sharp rock or something here. Like some grass texture or something. Yeah. I know, let's go here. Blood texture. Hold on. Shit. Okay. Let's just use this. What was the size? Okay. Oh, sharp. Sharp rock or something. So there we have our sharp rock. You can see if the player falls down and collision with it, nothing happens to his health or nothing. So yeah, we're gonna work on that. So let's say sharp rocks. Let's put this guy's gonna may have more than one. So let's say when player collide with sharp rock, going here, going variables, I'd say stickman life, subtract 0.1. So let's say when what? Wait. So let's say when stickman collide with sharp rock, negative 0.1 variable of stickman life or something like that. I'm gonna show you guys. So as you can see, you just keep on slowly, and we don't bounce back. You just, oh my god, just taking it all down. So yeah, we're gonna fix that, I guess. Say put it to 1. I'm gonna show you what happened when I put it to 1. Whoa, it done so fast. So we can just 0.1 and Wait, yeah, I'm still here. Say, okay. Just gonna by movement to the angle of stickman with speed of 500. So let's see. So you can see it's trying to like bounces back, and we also taking off some health. Let's do this one. One. You see, bam, bam. So yeah, there we go. We created an object, I guess, an enemy object, a sharp object or something. And now let's create like a health something. So when let's do this, 34. So say and just right here. And that's ugly. One dude shot is that equal? It's just still is. It's complicated to say. I could use something. Let's say that it's called H. Say H. So when we play collide with when Stickman collide with H, add a variable to statement life, say add 1 add 5. Now I'm going to show you something, guys. So this is the h. Let's give the h something more better. Just make it rotate, look like something. You don't have to add rotate on it, but I'm just gonna add the rotate. I'm gonna show you what happened when I add this. So you just rotating like that. So you can see, guys, I'm just colliding when I just keep adding and adding past the limit. We don't want that. So let's say delete h. Let's create more than one h right here. What the hell is happening? Okay. So yeah, let's just, there's our h. Bam. So let's get our life down. I'm gonna jump off of this. Wait. Put another h over here. So let's get our life down. As you can see, it's right down. Bam. Bam. So you can see your life just slowly coming up as the more H we collect. So yeah, guys, that's it. Please like, subscribe, share the video, comment, do anything. If you want to know anything or want me to do a specific video about something, comment below. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.